It's important to win her heart since a happy relationship is dependent on it. She will do everything she can to make you happy while you keep her going by speaking her love language. When you feed her and provide her with what she requires, she will undoubtedly respond with love, tranquility, kindness, and happiness. Being all she desires in life can assist you in attracting her attention. And here are some techniques to make her desire you even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give effort even to the little things. Everyone appreciates being acknowledged for their efforts, no matter how minor. So when you're together, don't forget to tell your girlfriend how special she is. Remember that even the smallest gestures may make a significant impact, such as giving her a hug when she's upset or listening when she has something to say. You might also volunteer to do something easy like grocery shopping or running errands for her while she attends to work-related matters. This will provide her some much-needed alone time while also reminding her of how attentive you are. Adding fuel to the fire. This is where it all begins, and if you skip this, you'll lose out on the powerful chemistry that will make everything else a lot simpler later on. Consider this. Sometimes attraction requires a kickstart, and that kickstart is only attainable by letting a lady ask herself one simple question: does he like me? No matter where it ends up, it all starts with a female being interested in you. So your first task is to remember to sow the seeds of interest. How? We'll demonstrate several of the methods in this video, but the simplest one is this. Don't be afraid if a girl feels you like her because of anything you do. Perhaps you like her, perhaps you don't. In any case, you now have the ideal starting place to get started. Do romantic surprises once in a while. Surprising your girlfriend is the most effective technique to increase her affection for you. Surprising her will make her feel like she's the most important person in the world. A good way to achieve this is to organize a surprise date, which would express your concern for her sentiments in a subtle way. So how about that? You can make your lover feel loved even if you don't do anything. You should meet her at home rather than somewhere public. Cook a nice supper, light some candles, put on some music when you get home. She will appreciate all of your efforts to create a special atmosphere for her. And there's more. You might leave nice notes throughout the house or leave love messages in unexpected places so that when she discovers them, she feels truly loved and cared for. Another excellent approach to organize a surprise is to give your lady small presents by mail or social media. This is especially beneficial if your girlfriend does not live with you, since she will have something to look forward to when she returns home every day. She'll notice your attentiveness even when you are not around, and she could start thinking about you more frequently. Look at her as though you crave her. What if we told you that ladies can sense the weight of your desire to them just by making eye contact with them? All you have to do is not try and hide it. You'll notice if you glance at a girl when you are most attracted to her, then she will melt away. It's simply difficult not to. But here's the catch. It has to be true attraction, and it has to be solely through eye contact. Under no circumstances should you do anything that weakens the impact of your eye contact at that time. Girls want men to be interested in them. Naturally, they do. Before they commit to anything, they also want to know if you like them. What they don't want is for you guys to get too physical. Look after yourself. It is important to take care of yourself. This involves both your physical and emotional well-being. A woman's self-esteem is strongly associated with her relationship. If you do not take care of both of these things, she will feel less valuable since she believes you are not taking care of yourself. So enhance your appearance by doing some work. Nothing is more infuriating than when a woman puts a lot of work into her appearance, getting her hair done, putting makeup on, and dressing nicely, and her boyfriend doesn't bother to put on pants before leaving the house. Do all you can for yourself so that your girlfriend thinks you are making an effort for the both of you when it comes to getting ready for the day or heading out. Getting a new hairstyle or cut is one of the simplest ways to make your girlfriend want you even more. Women are incredibly visual, and they appreciate it when their guys look nice. This is because women are constantly scrutinized based on their appearance. Therefore, it's great for them to see that their partner cares about their appearance too. You shouldn't label it. Labels bring restrictions, and once you have rules, everything becomes a little more official and less entertaining. That's not to imply that being in a formal relationship isn't enjoyable, but there's a reason why most couples remember their early days fondly. The late hours, the unpredictability and spontaneity, the secrecy, all the aspects that contribute to a girl's exhilaration and persistent attraction to you. When your two worlds meet. So, how do you keep the party going? Well, keep it minimal. Hide it from your friends, have secret encounters, and steal kisses in public. And keep doing that. And we promise that you will form a connection that will result in a deep, long-lasting sensation of desire between the both of you. You should never be scared to express your affection. Simply being open about your feelings for your girlfriend might help you win her heart. Tell her how important she is to you and that her relationship is your first concern. Remind her of the moments that you've been through together, how she's helped you through difficult times, and how fortunate you are to have each other. You may assist your girlfriend's self-esteem by simply letting her know that she has a place in your life. People who have great self-esteem are more inclined to desire their lover back. More essential, don't be ashamed to confess your love in public. Make use of social media. If you're not on social media, she's unlikely to notice what you're doing or feeling at any given time. That implies she might begin to believe you don't care as much about her. So mention how gorgeous she is when out to dinner with your friends and then urge her to show off a little. This will not only make her happy, but it will also encourage others to compliment her and learn more about her. So taking this approach a step further, you could discover what makes your girlfriend tick and publicly praise those characteristics. For example, if your girlfriend enjoys art, search for opportunities to praise her keen eye for detail when seeing a painting or a sculpture. Go on adventures. Instead of watching Netflix and chilling, consider ziplining, go-karting, or visiting an amusement park. Whatever you do, if you want her to want you, you must get that heart pounding. Because research has shown that when people are aroused or afraid, they find the opposite sex more appealing. So go crazy with her. She'll become thrilled and describe it to you. Plus, there's always Netflix and chill for afterwards. Be patient and kind. She wants to know that she can rely on you to help when she needs it. Being patient with her, especially when she is anxious, is part of this. Be kind with her and offer her your complete attention when you are together. One of the most important things you can do for your relationship is to let them know when you are available, not only when it's convenient for you, but all of the time. Communication is essential in relationships, so consider what else has to be done while you go about your day, and then make sure she realizes you have everything under control so she doesn't have to worry. If you do things this way, she'll feel more at ease knowing she can rely on you at any time. Understand where she's coming from. Everyone knows that women mature faster than guys, and this is no different in the dating scene. Girls not only go on more dates, but they also go on more terrible dates. And by horrible dates, we mean going on dates with obnoxiously strange men. So unsurprisingly, a girl will be wary of you when you initially hang out. So what are your options? Just show her that you are cool by letting her take the wheel. Please remove your hands. But here's where things get complicated. Most guys aren't weirdos. In fact, they do everything possible to avoid being one. The problem is that everyone defines weird differently. What one lady considers strange may be your Tuesday night. Not only that, but most guys tend to overcorrect in order to appear less creepy, making them appear much weirder in the process. So, what exactly are we saying? Don't overthink things. Make her feel protected, but don't be too controlling. Demonstrate your dominance, but don't be overbearing. The more you can do this, the more at ease she will be.